how to create a community on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own community on Reddit step by step. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Reddit app. But note that your account needs to be at least 30 days old and have some activity to create a community. So on the home page, you'll see three lines in the top left. Go ahead and tap on it. And then you can see start a community. Just tap on it. And then you need to choose the community topics. So choose the ones of your preferences. And then you can select more if you want to, and then hit next. And then you need to choose whether you want the account to be public, anyone can see and view the post, or you want it to be restricted. Here only the approved users can post, and private only approved users can view the post, and then they need permission to post. And you can choose whether you want the community to be 18 plus or not. So after you've chosen the one of your choice, hit next, and then put in a community name. It must be unique and will become your subreddit name, like r/your community name as shown here. So you need to put in a description so that people know what the community is about. So just put in a community name and then put in a description. So then hit next, and then you can see preview how it looks like. You can add banners, icons, and then uh, make sure that the banner is like good enough to attract people and establish community culture. And you can also do this later, and then you can just go to create in the top right, and then your community will be created. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.